Sparkle Rhinestone booties. You guys, these are amazing. The sparkle's even better outside. You can't tell how sparkly it is inside, but trust me, it just glows. I love it. So I ordered a size 10. I am a size 9.5, so this is a half size bigger on me, and I'll let you know how that fit is. There's the heel on them. You get the rhinestones all the way through the heel. And if you can look at the detail, the rhinestones are different sizes to kind of give it some dimension there. That's the inside of the shoe. Nice little pointy toe as well. Easy to get into, zip. Oh, perfect. Okay, so that half size up was perfect. If you are between sizes, I do recommend sizing up if you are between sizes. Otherwise, true to size, you'll be good to go. These are really comfortable. I feel like a country western star. I love these. They're so cute and stylish. You can pair them with a dress, with jeans, skirts, you name it. You're gonna love, love, love these booties.